Welcome to another edition of our Beginner's Guide to Web Development. I'm your teacher, Samad Kanti. Now, today's lesson, we are going to develop a real-time commenting system. Real-time here means, even though we are within the confines of our computer, whatever happens, you get the feedback instantly or promptly without necessarily having to refresh your browser. Okay, so I must say that this video is inspired by YouTube commenting system. Although this might not seem to have the look and features of YouTube system, core functionalities such as creating new comments, replying to comments, liking and disliking comments, updating and deleting comments, reporting or flagging negative comments, pinning comments, and sorting comments have all been added to this video. So without far more to say, I'm going to do a real demo for you to see how this project is going to work out. So first off, let me play the video so that I can go ahead to demonstrate. So supposing this video here has been posted by someone and I want to leave a reply, say genius dude. So I will need to enter the author of this comment, which is myself. So that's my first name, Sam or Samad. Okay, so let's say another user happens to use my computer. Since we are using local storage, we are persisting the data within this computer, that's in our browser here. So for a real time, you will need a central database. So you will need to connect this to a database using a server-side language such as PHP, Django, Rails, or better still, Node. That's for JavaScript. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just limiting ourselves to leveraging the browser's local storage for this. Okay, so supposing another author wants to drop a comment, say cool, and his name is Aziz. Okay, Aziz. So that's the next comment, as we will have in a normal commenting system. Now, someone has posted genius. So assuming a third person wants to also leave or react to this. So for example, let's start with the reply. Now I'm going to leave a reply with this. So say I am the poster of this video, so I'll be like thanks. Okay, and my name say is Canton. Okay, so you have my name here. I've replied to the first comment, and another person too says okay, he has to leave a comment under this. That becomes say he wants to reply to my comment. Is that okay? So my name will be tagged, is okay, to be preceded by the reply that the person is going to leave. So say he want to say wow, and the name is Mike. So you can see the flow continues like that. So basically you'll be able to post a comment and someone will leave a reply, or better still react to it. So let me just add one more. That's a sub reply, say awesome, and maybe the name is say John. Okay, so in total we have 5 comments here. That includes the sub comments or the replies. Okay, so now say I would want to react by way of liking and disliking the comments. Is that okay? We've looked at the reply and creating new comments. Is that okay? Or reply to comments, and we are now coming to look at how to dislike and dislike. So suppose I want to react to this comment, I can like it. Is that okay? And since Mike was the last poster, last author of these, one of these comments, which is this, obviously he can only like a comment once. Is that okay? If he tries to do that, now that toggles that off. So he can like and dislike. And unlike. Yeah, you can like. Once you like, you see, if we hover over this button, we are going to have an unlike tooltip. So let me do that again. Like. So unlike, now you have like. Once I like it, the text here changes to unlike. Alright, and the same thing goes for the dislike. So once I've liked and I try to dislike it, it is going to unlike it before disliking it. Is that right? So if I want to remove the dislike, I click on it, and you see I have no reaction under this comment. So I will react to this by way of liking it, dislike this, and I'll like this. Is that okay? And let's say another person wants to like this. So let me add one more comment here. Say bravo. Sorry, bravo. And again, Aziz is the one is the author of this comment. So the last author here is Aziz. So Aziz can like this without toggling it, or because the system automatically sees that as part of the likers of this particular comment, Aziz isn't part, so Aziz can like, and that you can see that has incremented to 2. Same for the dislike. Once Aziz tries to dislike this comment, his like is originally unliked or removed, and apportion the dislike reaction. Yeah, so that's just that. So let's see, the third or the fourth activity here is updating or deleting comments, and with that you can only update or delete your own comment. Yeah, so originally, if this was my if we were on YouTube, or this was my page or channel on YouTube, I could react and delete or manipulate any of this, carry out every action on these comments. But the ideology behind this system, this particular project, is that it tries to remember, or you can only act on comments that you have posted. Is okay? So since Aziz is the last author, you see, if we hover over Aziz, we can edit or delete, and you can see once we hover over John's comment, we are only limited to an option, which is to report. Sorry, I got a call. Okay, so Aziz here, let's try to update Aziz comments. Let's just use this update, say cool stuff, something like that, cool stuff. So Aziz has just updated his comment, and same for this bravo. He can also update this bravo by be like bravo, 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 bravo. Yeah, so and the same way he can as well delete. So say he wants to delete this comment, you can hover and use the delete to prompt you whether you want to, then you go ahead and delete it. Now that's by way of updating and deleting, and that happens for your comments. Yeah, that happens for your comments. Sorry, I've got to put this on silent. I don't like. Okay, yeah. So I think now we wouldn't be abstracted anymore. So now let's get to the fifth activity, which is reporting or flagging comments. So I could, supposing I don't, let me post another comment here, say foolish, something like this, and maybe the author is Jane. Okay, Jane is the author. Jane is the author. So I can come here and react. What is it? What is a report? Yeah, or flag this comment. So I could come here. Okay, see this Jane's comment. Jane can only flag or report comments that aren't posted by her. So for example, Aziz's comment, Jane could report this, and she needs to enter the reason for reporting this comment. So she can be like she could be like, okay, assault, okay, and Jane has reported Aziz's comment as assault. As you can see now, when we hover over Aziz's comment, we only have the option of unreporting it. Then also we can look at pinning comments. So for example, Jane's comment, Jane can pin a comment to the top by using the option pin. So once she clicks on it, she'll be prompted or told that she could only have one comment pinned. Yeah. So the moment she tries to pin another comment, then that replaces the initial pinned comment, or the comment that was pinned initially. So she proceeds to say okay, and you can see her comment is pinned. So whether she filters it is still pinned. Irrespective of that, it's still pinned. Is that okay? Yeah. So you could also filter or sort the comments. That's the seventh activity, and that is that we have looked at. You could sort or filter your comments. So now enough of the demo. Let's look at the code that